Hello everyone, welcome back to my little channel, girlfriends. So check it out, girl. Yes, you're right. This brush is smaller. I haven't posted on Instagram or anything like that, but we did get our Princesita brush and the unicorn brush in size 8, girlfriend. So if you've been wanting one, but the number 12 that we carry is too big for you, girl, suffer no more with those ugly brushes. We got you, girl. We got you. So this number 8 does run like a little bigger than the pink brush. Um, as far as sizing, these beautiful glitter handles, they're more accurate to other brand sizes. So if you have like multiple size brushes in your casita, in your salon, whatever, you can like compare them. But this one is more like our number 12 pink handle, or just like a few more hairs more, but it's perfect. To be honest, I feel like this size is perfect for me. Number 16, I could work with it and everything, but I feel like I have more control with this size of brush because I think this is what I learned with. I don't know, girlfriend. But as you guys saw, we do have a new monomer as well. This one is specialized for, or I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but for dip powders. We do have about 100 dip powders. They're 2-in-1, I guess you can call it. All the ones that have numbers, those are, you can use them as a dip powder or as acrylic. And because they do dry a little, they set a little slower, this monomer is perfect for those. So it does dry slightly faster and it gives you more of a seamless blend. So it's for ombres as well. If you ever struggle doing ombres, this monomer should give you more of a smooth blend or whatever you call it. So I am going to be putting it as a special price so that you guys can give it a try if you want to. I really love it as well. I feel like it dries slightly faster than our original smooth monomer, which is also perfect for acrylics that dry on the slower side. But let me know which one you prefer best. I'm still trying to figure out which one's going to be my new BFF because, you know, in the different temperatures, you got to use different products. So far I'm loving it. And so I'm going to have it on the website available later on today, possibly when you guys watch this video. And I'm going to be putting it up for $15 for the first 24 hours only. Later, it's going to go back to its regular price, which is going to be $20 for the 8-ounce. We do not have it in a larger size yet, but I'm going to be adding it to the website soon. And so how's everybody doing? Hello. I was telling myself, okay, Zilay, don't forget to tell them about the giveaway. So back in April or March, I can't remember when I had the big giveaway for my anniversary. So the YouTube winner never came through to claim her prize. And I know I've been lagging ass to fucking choose a new winner, but I always get so excited when I'm talking to you guys about a giveaway that I forget to tell you to put your fucking IG name below. So that way it's easier for me to find you and contact you instead of just waiting and waiting to see if the winner is going to claim the prize. So from now on, whenever I do giveaways, if I do not mention it, just put your fucking Instagram below, okay? Or put your phone number or your email or some shit somewhere where I can fucking find you and you can get your prize. So pretty much all you have to do is comment below and tell me how your day going, girlfriend. And I'm gonna be picking a winner in the next couple days, possibly on Monday, because today is Friday. So by Monday I will be picking a random winner from the comments. And I'm gonna be having another giveaway coming soon. I'm so excited for that one as well, and it's only gonna be for my YouTube because it's easier to choose a winner via YouTube than on Instagram. So you know what, you guys are my little hoes, so I'm gonna give you guys some love. So today I'm doing a little Mother's Day inspired design because I do have a a little flower arrangement in my house. And they're fucking fake ass flowers, but they look real as shit. They're so beautiful. And these new decals that I'm gonna be using, they're new. And I was like, ooh, girl, those shits look like my flowers. Okay, girlfriend. So let's pretend and put them on the nails or whatever. Because I feel like this year is a floral year. I went to the outlets over here by my house, and in almost every store that I walked in, there was like floral pattern everywhere. And I was like, okay, girl, yes, I love me some flowers. So that kind of inspired me too to get more like flowers. We gotta be ready for this floral season. And I used these flowers on one of my clients on Wednesday when I went to the salon. So I was like, girl, your nails are short. They look cute though. I can only imagine what it's gonna look like on a big ass nail. So, I was dying to do a fucking little video. Y pues siempre me paso de verga as far as like decorating them. So, if you think it's a little too crazy, you could always add or take away. So, si se te hace que me pasé de verga con el bling bling o con el diseño y tú eres más simple, tú quítale, ponle lo que tú quieras, ¿ok? Porque la verdad, I just wanted to put flower stickers and I just wasn't sure exactly how. I don't have enough fingers with just four little fingers. I feel like I need a whole full set. But then a girl don't got time for that either. So I had to just work with what I had. So I'm going to just peel and stick them. And I decided to encapsulate these. Normally, I put them over acrylic and then just put top coat. But there's different options, Whenever you're working with anything encapsulated, make sure not to put it directly onto the cuticle area, because when you do go in there and file, you will file it off. So these are really, really thin and easy to use. All you need is a little pair of tweezers, honey. And we do have these available on the website as well. The tweezers, the stickers, the colors, everything we use, okay, is available. Okay, girlfriend. So I'm over here trying to work and print out some orders because, Zulay be working. She a little workaholic. And I just want to put out this video ASAP because I literally just recorded it last night. But I'm like, girl, I've been a little MIA on on YouTube. So I need to go and put you guys a little video porque si no, se me van a aburrir porque hoy es viernes y el cuerpo lo sabe. And so I just felt that the nail needed a little bit more flowers because it was a little sad. And I wanted more like a bouquet. So I went ahead and I added a few more stickers, but I wasn't sure exactly where I wanted them. So I was just kind of eyeballing them. My mother over here with her chanclas. You guys are going to hear in the background. So pretty much just grab the little flower and move it around and see where you like it. I wanted to fill it up, but then I was like, girl, this nude is so cute underneath. And it's also like kind of new. It's not on the website yet. I'm going to be adding it to the website later today or tomorrow because I say I'm going to put it and then I forget. And I be getting hella busy. So please forgive me. But it's more like a beige, pale-ish color, which is really cute. You can never have enough nude. So, girlfriend, I know for sure you guys will really like this one. And the middle finger is a mix that we do not have on the store yet, but it's also coming, girlfriend. It's coming. And for this set, I ended up using the 2XL stiletto C-curve. Coffin. The ones with the no C-curve will be back in stock possibly next week or the following, I'm hoping. So stay tuned, bitches, because I did order a lot more. I did not think they were going to sell as fast as they did. I was like, okay, honey, these shits are fucking selling faster than Bad Bunny tickets, girl. If I would have known that shit, I would have bought more. But it's a hit and miss. Sometimes things sell faster than others. And right here, I just wanted to show you guys how I encapsulate the nail. Whenever I do have decor in the nail, I do pass my brush through and wipe it like pretty much wetting it so that there is no bubbles, because if it's like too dry, it will create bubbles. Somebody asked me that on IG the other day, and that pretty much helps for the bubbling. And make sure that you apply it a little bit more wet than usual. And that's it, honey. So next, we're gonna be adding the bling bling. I'm gonna be using the Zulay bling adhesive along with my little bling bling box. These are also on the website. I believe this is box number 3. I can't remember, but go to the rhinestone section category and you can find all of these. This light rose or light pink color will also be getting added today. It's super cute and it comes with a bunch of sizes. I forgot how many sizes they are. So, I got a little notification. I'm like, excuse me. And I was like, oh, girl, yes, I'm going to put a little bit of bling bling. And then I got a little carried away. And you know how that goes. It ends up blinging out the motherfucking nail. So let me know if you think this was enough, just the middle finger, or should I not have put any bling? What are your thoughts? If you were to do this on yourself, would you have even put bling or just the middle finger? I think the middle finger was fine, but I just felt like we need some more love. We need some more love. And then I got carried away, girl. So these are crystal AB, and none of the ones that I'm using are Swarovski crystals. These are just high quality glass crystals. So if you're in a budget homegirl, then these are right up your alley. Make your way to the Zulay Nail Shop and go get you some. And these over here that you could barely even see because of the camera, the glare, whatever, those are the pink opal. They're so fucking cute. They're my favorite, but I don't usually get a chance to use them all the time. So when I do get the chance, I be going a little cray and I want to put them on every motherfucking nail. These are also on the website. They are available in size 16 and size 12. I haven't been able to find them in a smaller size, so as soon as I do, I'm gonna add them because they are beautiful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my little channel if you haven't already done so. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave me a little comment, because y'all already know that I love to read them comments. Although recently I've been not able to read them because a bitch is busy y me falta el sueño, and but I hope you guys are all having a great day. Today's Friday, el cuerpo lo sabe, pinche hueva, la verga. I've been getting so many good or nice comments on this set. I posted on Instagram earlier. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video because it is super simple, girlfriend. Para todas las muchachonas chingononas que no sabemos ni dibujar, we can definitely put on a little sticker, girl. We carry a lot of stickers, from flowers to Gucci to Louis Vuitton to SpongeBob or fucking Sailor Moon. What else do we have? Oh, some Minions. Oh, we also have some Care Bears stickers. They're so cute. I'm going to be adding them to the website too because they're so adorable. I mean, I don't know if y'all want to wear it on your nails, but you could put it on your daughter's nails or whoever's nails you want. They're so adorable. And so right here, I'm just putting the bling adhesive and with the little crystals. I didn't even know what kind of design I was doing, but I just knew I didn't want to cover my florecitas, but I still wanted some bling. So this is what I came up with. It is a strange little design, pero pues it's pretty cute, something different, And so I'm just going to let you guys finish watching the little bling because it's kind of simple. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.